you see locals riding their bikes around Aix-en-Provence, it seems like a great way to get to know the city and pretend to be French for a day. Because the downtown historic district is closed to vehicles, this is an ideal place for cyclists to admire the sights and the quaint buildings along the way. When you come to Aix, the biggest star here is Paul Cézanne, the post-impressionist artist. Cézanne paved the way for the Cubist Picasso. Cézanne was born right here in Aix-en-Provence, and he lived here. The city of Aix has marked the route by studs stamped with the letter C, and this shows you locations significant to Paul Cézanne's life. I love the adventure of a treasure hunt. There are many bike shops that offer rentals by the hour or the day or by even the week. You can also join a guided group bike tour that can take you all throughout Aix. So grab those bikes and let's go riding. Most vehicles are restricted from entering into the city. They lock it down with this ingenious system. There are certain permitted vehicles that are allowed, and that is when the automatic bullards will lower for just those particular vehicles. It tends to get busy with pedestrians, so the best time really to bike is early morning or later in the afternoon. During the day, you're going to come across pedestrians and tourists, and you're going to have to maneuver your bike around them. Wait till you see what's around this corner. A lot of tourists come through this little square, but they don't realize what images are on the ironwork of the balconies. These balconies show a little bit of a phallic symbol, announced that this was where the ladies of the night were available. Oh, the markets are open and you can just smell the lavender. Oh my God, the food. You can't forget the delicious food that they prepare here in Aix. Delicious. While the biking infrastructure here is not as extensive as some other French cities, Aix does have some bike paths and connections to other cycling routes in the region. Beautiful villages that are located nearby here. How many kilometers are you biking to visit these villages throughout the countryside?
200 for the week.
Beautiful.
It's not so much.
It is very hilly, but you have electric.
Yes.
Oh my God.
It's easier.
Wow, have a nice time.
Yes.
Woo! Tour de France! There's a lot of fountains here, and it's supposed to be called the 1,000 Fountain City, but there's really only about 27 of them. Hello. Good King Rene, the fountain right behind me, he had to use a model for this particular sculpture because he was so ugly. When the king was going to get married, his bride did not want to marry him, so she did not smile. And he decided to create a special treat for her, a special candy, and it's called Calisson, which translates to little hugs. And when she took a bite, she smiled. Now she has something to smile about. These have become a classic French candy. You can see why this is a popular destination for people who are seeking a glimpse into the past. Hope to see you riding. Oh my God, what is this? Where are you guys going?
Ce concert et à chaque fois on emmène un peu.
Okay, I really didn't understand that. My French speaking is very bad. I had a failing grade in school. So to compensate, we got these ear translators, and it'll translate and it'll go into your ear with English when somebody speaks French.